Chiropractic therapy has been around for over a century, but did you know that its roots stretch back even further? While many people associate chiropractors with modern healthcare, the practice of manipulating spinal joints to restore balance and alleviate pain dates back to ancient civilizations. One of the earliest recorded forms of chiropractic-like therapy was practiced by an Indian physician named Ayurveda in around 400 BCE. This ancient healing art emphasized the interconnectedness of the body's systems and the importance of maintaining proper alignment to promote overall health and well-being. Similar practices were also prevalent among ancient Greeks, such as Hippocrates 460-370 BC and Galen 129-216 C, who advocated for manipulation and massage as therapeutic tools. Fast forward to the late 19th century, when Daniel David Palmer, an American magnetic healer, coined the term chiropractic in 1895. He developed a system of spinal manipulation to restore balance and alleviate pressure on the nervous system. This approach was revolutionary at the time, as it focused on treating the underlying causes of illness rather than just its symptoms. Palmer's work gained popularity throughout the early 20th century, particularly among athletes and individuals who engaged in manual labor. He believed that spinal misalignments could lead to a range of health problems, including headaches, neck pain, and even conditions like arthritis. Chiropractors began to develop their skills and knowledge base, learning about anatomy, physiology, biomechanics, and the intricacies of human movement. As chiropractic therapy continued to evolve, researchers started to explore its efficacy in treating various conditions. One groundbreaking study published in 1993 found that chiropractic care could significantly reduce symptoms of chronic back pain in patients with no significant spinal problems. This breakthrough research opened doors for further investigation into the benefits and limitations of chiropractic therapy. Today, chiropractors worldwide practice a diverse range of techniques to address musculoskeletal issues, postural imbalances, and nervous system complaints. From manual adjustments to soft tissue therapies, there is an emphasis on restoring balance and promoting natural healing processes. Chiropractic care has also become increasingly recognized for its benefits in sports performance, injury prevention, and wellness programs. However, the scientific community still grapples with debates surrounding chiropractic therapy's role in treating certain conditions. Some studies have raised concerns about potential risks associated with spinal manipulation, such as stroke or herniated discs. Nevertheless, research continues to uncover more about the effects of chiropractic care on various health parameters and its interaction with conventional healthcare systems. One area of ongoing investigation is the neurophysiological effects of spinal manipulation. Studies have found that chiropractors can influence nervous system signaling pathways, influencing pain perception, motor control, and even mood regulation. As our understanding of human physiology continues to expand, so too do the opportunities for evidence-based practice in chiropractic therapy. The story of chiropractic therapy highlights the remarkable evolution of a holistic approach to healthcare. By reconnecting us with the body's innate potential for healing, chiropractors empower individuals to take control of their well-being and make lasting changes. Whether you're seeking relief from chronic pain or seeking improved performance on the field, the ancient roots of chiropractic therapy remind us that there's more to health than meets the eye. Whether you are a seasoned practitioner or just beginning your journey into chiropractic care, understanding its history is essential for appreciating the value and uniqueness it brings. By embracing this comprehensive approach to well-being, we come closer to recognizing our bodies as dynamic systems capable of incredible recovery.